Far too many people these days are still wasting hours every single week struggling with outdated vacuums and messy mops without even realizing that there's a smarter way to keep your home clean. Upgrading to a modern robot vacuum and mop can completely change your cleaning routine and free up time for the things that actually matter in your life. The best robot vacuums don't just suck up dirt, they go way beyond that. They wash, dry, self empty, and even use artificial intelligence to avoid obstacles and clean your home with precision while you sit back and relax. And today, we've picked out the top 5 best robot vacuum and mop combos available on Amazon right now. These machines combine cutting edge technology with powerful cleaning performance, and they're all ready to transform your home. But first, make sure you use the links we've included in the description, because those will take you straight to the latest discounts on every product we cover. Let's dive in. Music number 5, the Mova P10 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop. This is not just another robot cleaner. It's one of the most advanced on the market, with a mind-blowing 13,000 pascal suction power. That's enough strength to pull dirt and debris out of deep carpets and leave your floors spotless. But suction alone isn't what makes it special. What really sets the Mova P10 Pro apart is its 140-degree Fahrenheit hot water, mop washing, and drying feature. That means the mop pads are not just rinsed with cold water like many competitors. They're actually sanitized with hot water and then dried. So they're always fresh and hygienic for the next cleaning cycle. Add in the dual spinning extendable mops that scrub right up against edges and corners, a 10.5 millimeter lifting function that automatically raises the mop on carpets, and advanced 360-degree obstacle avoidance. And you've got a robot vacuum that feels like it came from the future. Of course, with full app control, you can schedule and customize cleaning sessions right from your phone, making this one of the most feature-packed cleaning machines available. Coming in at number 4, the Eufy Robot Vacuum Omni C20. Eufy has built a reputation for smart, user-friendly cleaning devices, and the Omni C20 is a shining example. This all-in-one system practically eliminates the need for manual cleaning. It doesn't just vacuum and mop, it empties its own dustbin, washes the mop pads, and dries them automatically, giving you truly hands-free cleaning for weeks at a time. With 7,000 pascal of suction power, it's capable of tackling everything from pet hair to fine dust, and it maintains strong performance across hardwood, tile, and carpets. At just 3.35 inches tall, it easily slips under beds, couches, and cabinets where dirt often hides. The slim design doesn't compromise functionality either. The Omni Station handles everything, so you don't have to bend down, change bags, or wash dirty pads. For busy households, this is the kind of convenience that makes a real difference every single day. At number 3, we have the ILIF EA30 Pro Robot Vacuum and Mop. This model is designed for people who want powerful suction, smart navigation, and long-lasting autonomy. With 5,000 pascal suction power and a roller brush built specifically for carpets and hard floors, it's versatile enough to handle every room in your home. But what makes the A30 Pro especially impressive is its LiDAR navigation system, which allows it to map your home with precision and move methodically instead of wandering around randomly. You can also set no-go zones directly from the app so it avoids certain rooms or areas automatically. The self-emptying station is another big plus. It can store dirt for up to 60 days, which means you don't have to think about vacuuming for 2 full months. On top of that, it's compatible with Wi-Fi, Alexa, and even comes with remote control, giving you multiple ways to manage cleaning. For families or pet owners, the iLife. A 30 Pro is an excellent blend of power, intelligence, and reliability. Number 2 on our list is the Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo 2-in-1, a budget-friendly option that proves you don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy robotic cleaning. With a maximum suction of 3,200 pascal, it handles daily dust, crumbs, and pet hair with ease. It includes app, Bluetooth, and voice control, so you can schedule cleanings, adjust settings, and even give commands through your smart assistant. This model also features automatic self-charging, meaning it returns to its dock when the battery is low and continues where it left off. The slim design is a big advantage for small apartments or homes with low furniture, as it can reach under areas where dust loves to hide. While it may not have all the advanced features of premium models, it delivers consistent performance and great value, making it ideal for anyone new to robot vacuums or those on a budget. And finally, number one, the Eureka J15 Ultra Self-Emptying Robot Vacuum. If you want the very best of the best, this is it. With a staggering 19,000 Pascal suction, it's one of the most powerful robot vacuums ever created. That level of suction makes it capable of deep cleaning thick carpets, removing stubborn dirt, and handling messes that would normally require a traditional vacuum. But the Eureka J15 Ultra doesn't stop there. It features a flex arm mop design for maximum floor coverage, 167-degree hot water mop washing to sanitize pads, and 131-degree hot air drying to ensure they're always clean and odor-free. The AI obstacle avoidance system is highly advanced, letting it navigate seamlessly around furniture, cords, and everyday objects without getting stuck. Paired with its self-emptying station, this robot delivers a truly set it and forget it experience. It's the ultimate cleaning companion for anyone who wants spotless floors without ever lifting a finger. So there you have it. The top 5 best robot vacuum and mop combos available on Amazon right now. From the powerful and futuristic Mova P10 Pro to the ultra-convenient UFI Omni C20 to the incredibly strong Eureka J15 Ultra, there's an option here for every household and every budget. Whether you want precision navigation, hot water mop cleaning, or hands-free maintenance that lasts for months, these robots are designed to make your life easier and your home cleaner. Don't forget to check the links in the description to get the latest deals and bring one of these amazing machines into your home today.